Okay, just a quick video tonight. This is the monthly chart. This is the YM, the Dow Mini Future contract here. And I just wanted to show you a couple of things. Here I've got the directional movement index on here. If we go back, let's see. When this green line crosses this red line here, it generates a buy signal. And back in 2006, ADX gave or the directional movement index gave a buy signal in here. You can see that worked out pretty well. Okay, and this is if you're holding mutual funds and you kind of want a heads up when the market may be going to maybe turn or trend the other way, then you can throw the directional movement index or ADX on some platforms on there. You see now where the red line crossed the green line here on the upside, that gave a sell signal in here, and that was in January of '08, right in here. So it caught that very well. Now the thing to note is what I wanted to point out. On the down move, you see the size of the candles here. Okay, another big candle here. This one's pretty big. Okay, versus the size of the candles on the up move off the March lows here. Okay, the dominant trend here is the downtrend. These are the much bigger candles versus this up move here. When that ADX gave that sell signal back here, you see those lines have not crossed. In other words, to get a buy signal here, we need the green line to cross above the red line here. Okay, well, we haven't gotten that. Okay, so the ADX is still short. This trend, this up trend here, this black line tells us that is weakening. And for the first time now, we've got a monthly market structure high. So since these March lows, we've not had a market structure high on the monthly chart, and now we do. We've got this monthly market structure high here, so just something to take note of. Okay, there's going to be a short trigger here, break to the upside here. This is where we open the month, it looks like, right here. And so we'll see during the course of the month if they can break up here and test the monthly 50 period, or if they trigger short here, come into the 13S. This light blue line's our bull bear line. If we get a close below this line, okay, that's going to be a big negative for the market. Obviously, if they break up here and they can base above the monthly 50 period, that would be very good for the bulls, and we'd probably see that direction. This one, we're probably going to see this direction. But the thing to note is these have not crossed yet. This is still bearish. This trend is weakening, and the ADX lines have not crossed. So something to take note of, and certainly be aware. And again, from the highs here to the March lows, we're still in this 10,360 area. Is that 50% retrace of this move? So it also could mean, as these things come in here, is we could just get some consolidation between in this area. How long, we don't know, but at this point we do need to kind of keep our eyes open and keep your eye on this. You could use this again if you've got mutual funds, or if you've got accounts that are built to make money only if the market goes up, pensions and so forth, 401ks. That's a good little indicator to throw on the monthly chart, and it's pretty accurate. As long as the market is trending, and this little black line will tell you if the market's trending. If it's below 20, if this line goes below 20, it's telling you the market is not trending. If it goes above 20, it tells you the market may be developing a trend. So anyway, I hope that's helpful, and we'll have another brief update next week.